we're using about half of our berry blue jello and then a cup of boiling water, and we are gonna mix this until our jello dissolves. Less than a minute, just a nice quick whisk. Now this isn't your typical jello, so we are gonna add some blueberry Greek yogurt to this. Oh yeah, make sure you get all those blueberries on the bottom. You can use whatever brand you like. You can even use the zero sugar Greek yogurt if that's your style. But I love sweetness, you guys know that. So that's one. And then another container. So 2 containers of blueberry Greek yogurt. I know this is looking a little weird, but trust me, the end process is gonna be super delicious. Give that a nice good whisk. Make sure everything is nice and blended and it ends up looking creamy and delicious. Ooh, look at that beautiful blue. I am excited. Just keep whisking, and then we're gonna add our next ingredient, which is my favorite ingredient. Beautiful. We are gonna add about half of this container of Cool Whip. This is a 16 ounce, so we're adding 8 ounces of Cool Whip into our blueberry mixture. And I did let this thaw so that it will be super easy to mix. A little bit more, and then I think that's about half. And don't worry, we're gonna use the rest of that later. Okay, now let's get that blended in. You could fold it if you want to keep it fluffy or whatever. But this is gonna be delicious, you guys. Look how fluffy and that beautiful blue color. I love the berry blue jello. It's probably my favorite jello out there. Sometimes it can be a little hard to find, but I actually got mine at Target. So if you're having any troubles finding it, just run to your local Target and they will have it. Oh my, that looks like blueberry fluff. It's probably what it's gonna taste like too. I'm so excited. Okay, just get that mixed together super quick. And then, of course, you guys know I have to add some freshness. So we have some fresh blueberries we're gonna add right in there. Yummy. And don't worry, I did wash those. You guys always think I don't wash my berries. I don't know why you guys think that. Okay, give that a nice good mix. And then this mixture is complete. Delicious. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. All right, now we have our strawberry jello, and we're doing the same exact thing. Half a box and 1 cup of hot water. Let's go ahead and get that dissolved super quick because we need this to set and be ready for our party. Ooh, I love the smell of the strawberry. Like the berry blue is my favorite, but strawberry is definitely a strong second. Ooh, this is so quick. I swear they changed the jello formula because this is dissolving way quicker than it used to. I remember you had to like stir for like 3 minutes and your arm would hurt. Now it's like 3 seconds. All right, beautiful. That is dissolved. I'm happy. Okay, we have our strawberry Greek yogurt. Woo, splashing. Okay, 1, and then 2. I like the Greek yogurt because it's just nice and sour and delicious. Give that a good mix. And I know you guys probably think this part looks gross, but you know when we add that Cool Whip, it is gonna be delicious. And it's gonna look smooth and creamy and just the right consistency. Okay, beautiful. This is coming together so nicely. All right, we're gonna add the other container of our Cool Whip, just like I said. Get all that beautiful fluff in there. And look, this is becoming a nice kind of red pink, just what we want for the upcoming holiday. Perfect. Give it a mix. This bowl's a little bit smaller, so I can't mix it as fast, but I will get it done quickly. Oh, look at that color coming together. It's just so pretty. Okay, almost done getting everything nice and well combined. And just you wait until you see how it looks all together. You're gonna wanna make this every week in the summer. Okay, Beautiful. I'm making a mess. It's okay, I'm not at my house though, so I don't have to clean it up. All right, now I got some fresh strawberries and I got this awesome strawberry cutter. Look at this, you guys. Taking my laziness to a new level. Oh, they just popped right in there. They just disappeared. You just put it in there, press, and you have perfectly cut strawberries. I mean, come on, this was so worth the investment. I got this at Williams-Sonoma, and I am gonna go back and get, you know, a lemon chopper, a blueberry chopper, whatever chopper they have, because this is making my life so much easier. Okay, let's do about one more, because I feel like we have plenty in there. Beautiful. Okay, now that we got those, oh, I told you guys I'm making a mess today, I'm sorry. Now we got those in there, let's go ahead and mix them in. And now we have our 2 layers ready, our red and our blue. And it's time to put these together. All right, so I have a 13 by 9 pan. And now I'm gonna grab some golden Oreos. These are just gonna complement those blueberry and strawberry flavors perfectly. And we are just gonna do a quick layer of Oreos right inside our pan. We don't need to grease the pan because this is all gonna be no bake and come out perfectly. Okay, so just quickly put your Oreos in there. And if you don't wanna do golden Oreos, you could do graham crackers. You could do vanilla wafers. That would be yummy. Actually, I probably should have done that, but I like these little golden Oreos because they have the nice cream filling, and I love cream filling. Okay, so quickly get this on the bottom of your pan. I need a few more. And I just got the regular size package, no need for the family size, and that looks beautiful. Okay, so now that we have our Oreos on the bottom of our pan, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that blueberry mixture. And we are gonna try to just carefully, we don't want the Oreos to move, just drizzle it right on top. Oh, it smells incredible. Okay. Look how delicious that looks. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Let me grab a spatula and let's just make sure this is spread to each corner. All right, now that we got our blue in there, we gotta get our red in there. So carefully. It's okay if it mixes together because it's gonna create a beautiful marble design. Get those strawberries in there. Look how fun that turned out. Oh my goodness. When we cut into this, it is gonna be gorgeous. But first we have to let it set, put it in the freezer for 1 hour. Okay, you guys, this is looking delicious. But before we cut in there, I am gonna add a layer of Cool Whip just right on top of this entire thing. Be generous with this so that we don't break apart our delicious jello creamy dessert. Oh my, okay. I'm gonna use this whole container because I love Cool Whip. Beautiful. I'll just spread it from edge to edge, making sure you don't rip up that beautiful jello dessert. Beautiful. Now I do want this to be nice and pretty. 4th of July, so I have some red, white, and blue sprinkles. And we are just gonna sprinkle these right on top, make it nice and festive. You can totally skip this and just put some fresh berries on here if you wanted to, but I had these in my pantry and I just had to use them up before the holiday was over. Perfect. Oh, it looks so fun, you guys. We gotta cut into this dessert. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so creamy and delicious. Cut into those Oreos. Get that crust nice and good. Okay. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. My, oh my, that looks delicious. delicious. Look at those red, white, and blue flavors, that fresh blueberries and strawberries in there. I am so excited to give this a try. Okay, get a big scoop. Oh, that is a winner, you guys.